Moving your Bitcoin from PayPal to an external wallet is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to move your Bitcoin from your PayPal to an external wallet. So for that, what you have to do is you have to log into your PayPal. As you guys can see, I've already logged into my PayPal, and there you guys can see your PayPal balance, and you will also be able to see your crypto. My crypto is worth $9.95. I'm just going to click on this crypto button. It will take me to this page. Now in this page, what you have to do is I have Bitcoins worth of $9. I'm just going to click on Bitcoin. After clicking on Bitcoin, you will see a page something like that. You can either buy Bitcoins, sell Bitcoins, and you will also see this option, which means to transfer your Bitcoins. Now you have to click on this icon. If you're clicking on this icon for the first time, they'll ask you for some additional information. They might also ask you for the verification as well. After doing all of the things, you will see a page something like that. Now what you have to do is you have to click on send BTC. After clicking on send BTC, you will see a page something like that. Now what you have to do is you have to send it to any of your external wallet. You can search by name, phone, email, or BTC address. If you have an external wallet, it should have a BTC address. You just need to paste your BTC address over here, and then you can simply transfer your Bitcoin from PayPal to your external wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful.